sheriff going by and they're filming. Betty White cold start, let's see it. Fail. Alright guys, we are going mudding. Lauren's taking the trail boss in case we get stuck. We're to go ramp Terry though. Alright, let's see what she'll do. Up the hill she goes. G80 putting in work. I've heavily debated on selling Terry or just having as much fun as possible. So today, I think we're just gonna have as much fun as possible and ramp it through a couple mud holes. Obviously, Lauren is driving the trail boss just in case we do get stuck, and we have a guest appearance of Mead. But this is a little baby mud hole. We're gonna start out first. It was much bigger, and I don't remember it being this small, but I guess it got filled in a pretty good bit. But once we go through this one, we're gonna head down to one that is much, much worse, that has claimed many, many trucks, and see what Terry can do. Two-wheel drive's pretty much useless with open diff, but does pretty good in four-wheel drive. We're on the 12 wides and relatively low tread 33s, but we about to see what it'll do. Trail boss, boggin. All right, let's see what Terry can do. Nani? Oh Jesus, a sheriff. Sheriff going by and they're filming. Popo didn't even mind it. That was sick. It was. Oh yeah, Terry, I hear you. All right, well, first challenge, absolutely nothing. You're not. That is going to the shop to get fixed Monday. It cannot be covered in mud. Just the locker. Keep going. No traction. It's trying to pull that heavy front end. Camera never does justice to how steep hills are. We're at location number 2. This one's pretty gnarly. Probably gonna hit it in 4-wheel. Probably gonna get stuck because it doesn't look like anybody's been in it in a long time. So it's probably like a foot of mud. So yeah, throw it in 4-wheel, ramp it. Hopefully not break anything. Hopefully not get stuck. Let's do it. We're gonna put it in. We'll say 4 high. That was deep.
I feel like this side was a lot easier.
Yeah. This side, it was pushing so much mud. Yeah, that was, yeah. All right, I'm gonna go through it one more time, go back the other way. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It was pushing so much mud. Oh, it's caked. Well, guess I'll do a detail video at some point. Where do you think Shan's gonna quote me to fix all the wheels? Give him a fresh paint job on them.
If you brought it in like that,
just like this.
Probably like $800–900.
That's almost worth doing a video on, just dropping them off like this and seeing what he says and stuff. You think he would do it?
I mean, I don't see why they wouldn't.
I mean, I don't know. It gets bad enough he'd like turn it down. I forgot.
They can clean it.
Forgot to zip tie my light thing. Dude, that was deep. Well, it was like up to the fog lights at least.
Yeah.
It felt like I was sitting in the water when I was driving. Yeah. Did good though. I was a little concerned right there at the beginning, but then when I backed up, I saw like there was so much mud it was above the water. Larry, your turn. Larry would not make it through any of that. That's not a 2-wheel drive mud hole by any means. 10,000 likes, we'll take the trail boss through it. I'll let Lauren take the trail boss through it. 10,000 likes. I don't know, I've been in the mood to hit a mud hole. Terry's not been really doing much of nothing on the channel, so screw it. Ramped a mud hole in it. It did well. And a lot of y'all have been requesting a detail video, so I might do a full detail on this thing and, you know, buff and polish it if I can figure out how to do that. Buy the right things. Turn Terry around. But as for now, the 1-day-old taillights, because I just filmed that this morning, they're holding up good. Looking right. Didn't even really get muddy. So that's it for this one. Hopefully, this is probably the end of the year. Any motivational talk?
Set goals. I would do it quarterly, so you have 4 goals to finish.
Yes.
So you have 4 goals to finish 1 goal. If that makes any sense.
I like
There you go.
Make it easier.
4 steps for the one big one.
That's right.
There you go.
I like it.
There you go. Respectable size mud hole. So 10,000 likes. We'll take the trail boss back through it. I'm still.
And I get to.
Well, I still think you should go back with Terry real quick. Okay. I'm not gonna force you.
Okay.
All right. Anyways, sign us off. Here's the 2021. Peace. Open. Buy you a Walmart 4-wheeler. It's a 2-for-1 special. Your wife and your kid can both work on it. It's gonna flip right here. Yo, Terry is gonna take some extreme cleaning. Sorry, I'm having to tug Huey. Look at the freaking mud and crap underneath there. Holy crap. Oh, it's caked in there. In the rear. Oh my gosh, what do you think, Hubert? Dad, this crap smells terrible. You ain't wrong, Hubert. You ain't wrong. Go ahead and water it down. Clean that wheel. Nice.